Hey guys, welcome back to a new one. If you want to talk with friends while gaming, join communities or do voice chat. Discord is the best Discord is the hub for everything. But first of all, before learning more or discussing more about Discord app, I request all of you just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secret hacks. So if you want to know about Discord app, just go to Google Play Store and search here Discord, Discord. Basically, Discord app already have 500 million downloads. And Discord app basically is a free social platform made for voice chat, video calls, testing and community servers. You can join public servers related to gaming, tech, movies, AI and more, or create your own private server for your friends or team. It supports channels, screen sharing, bot music streaming and events all inside one app. That's why gamers and creators use it every day on every single day. So the short tutorial, and in this video I explained Discord app completely. So if you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more app guides. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.